Good day, Teacher Inya. I am Angel Brione from section Mapagkatiwalaan, and today I will be sharing about the nature and the history of accounting. What is nature in accounting? Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction, and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the result. Accounting history can be traced back thousands of years to the cradle of civilization in Mesopotamia, and it's said to have developed alongside writing, counting, and money. The Egyptians and Babylonians created auditing system, while the Romans collated data and financial information. The history of accounting is fascinating and colorful. While today's companies often rely on modern processes, the earliest records of business and financial transactions began on clay tablets. Today, automotive technology is used in many accounts payable departments for data capture, validation, matching, and more. Luca Bartolomeo di Pacioli, an Italian mathematician and Franciscan monk, invented the system of record keeping that used a memorandum, ledger, and journal. He also wrote many books on accounting. Thus, Paciolo known became as the father of accounting and bookkeeping. In 1494, he wrote Summa de Arithmetica, Geometria, Proportione, and Proportionalita, the collected knowledge of arithmetic, geometry, proportion, and proportionality, which included a 27-page treatise on bookkeeping. Why is it important to understand the nature of accounting? Because accounting plays a vital role in running a business because it helps you track income and expenditures, ensure statutory compliance, and provide investors, management, and government with quantitative financial information which can be used in making business decisions. This is Angel Mibrianes from section Mapagkatiwalaan. Thank you, and once again, good afternoon.